Hello students, let's do simple equations exercise 16a questions 1 and 2. So question 1 is solve. Solving an equation means finding the value of x. So in this question, the first question, we have x plus 2 equals 6. We need to solve and find the value of x. So we're going to leave x on the left hand side, 6 on the right hand side. Now we are going to transpose. That means I'm going to move plus 2 to the right hand side. It will now become minus 2. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Okay, so here we have x is equal to 6 minus 2. Now let's see what this means. X is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4. So we have found the value of x. We have solved for x. Question 2, we have x plus 6 equals 2. So here again we're going to solve for x. So we'll leave x on the left hand side, 2 on the right. We're going to transpose plus 6 to the right hand side. It will become minus 6. So now let's solve and find the value of x. Now 2 minus 6. Now let's give 2 a sign. So now we have a plus sign and a minus sign. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. So what is the value of x in this equation? X is equal to minus 4. Question 3, y plus 8 equals 5. So let's solve for y. Y equals 5. Now we're going to transpose plus 8 to the right hand side. It will become minus 8. So 5 minus 8. So let's find the value of y. Y is equal to, let's give 5 a sign, that's plus sign. So now signs are different, isn't it? One is plus, one is minus. Put the sign of the bigger number, minus, and subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we have solved for y here in this equation. Y is equal to 3. So minus 3. The value of y is minus 3. Now we'll go on to the next question. Question 4, x plus 4 equals minus 3. So let's solve this equation. Let's find the value of x. Leave x on the left hand side. Leave minus 3 on the right hand side. Transpose plus 4 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 4. Now let's find the value of x. Minus 3 minus 4. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 3 plus 4 is 7. Question 5. Y plus 2 equals minus 8. Let's find the value of y. We will leave it on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we'll leave minus 8. Transpose plus 2 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 2. So y is equal to, the signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 8 plus 2 is 10. So y is equal to minus 10. Question 6. B plus 2.5 equals 4.2. So let's find the value of B. So on the right hand side, leave 4.2 as it is. Transpose plus 2.5 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 2.5. So let's find the value of B. B is equal to 4.2 minus 2.5. Let's do the subtraction. 4.2 minus 2.5. Let's borrow. So this becomes 3 and this is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Put the decimal point. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we get 1.7. So what is the value of B? 1.7. We'll move on to the next question. P plus 4.6 equals 8.5. So let's find P. So we'll leave P on the left hand side, 8.5 on the right hand side. Transpose plus 4.6 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 4.6. So let's find the value of P by subtracting 8.5 and 4.6. So 8.5 minus 4.6. Let's do that subtraction. 5 minus 6 we can't do, so I'll borrow. 15 minus 6 is 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. And the point 3.9. So P is equal to 3.9. Question 8. Y plus 3.2 equals minus 6.5. So let's find Y. Y is equal to minus 6.5 and we are transposing plus 3.2, so it becomes minus 3.2. So let's find the value of Y by taking these two numbers, minus 6.5 and minus 3.2. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. So we're going to add this. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. So here we get minus 9.7. Question 9. A plus 8.9 equals minus 12.6. So let's find the value of A. A is equal to minus 12.6 and then transpose plus 8.9, it becomes minus 8.9. So let's solve this. Let's subtract these two numbers. We have minus 12.6 and we have minus 8.9. That means the signs are the same. We put the same sign and we add. Though the signs are minus, we add because signs are the same. So 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we get the value of A to be equal to minus 21.5. We'll move on to the next question. Question 10. X plus 2 1 by 3 equals 5. So we'll leave x on the left hand side and 5. We transpose plus 2 1 by 3 to the other side. It becomes minus 2 1 by 3. Now let's solve this 5 minus 2 1 by 3. 5 minus 2 1 by 3. So I'll make this 5 by 1 and convert the other fraction, the other mixed number. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Now the LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. Now let's find the new numerators. 1 into 3 is 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. Minus 3 into 1 is 3. So 7 into 1 is 7. So here 15 minus 7 is 8 by 3. So we have solved this. Now let's convert 8 by 3 to a mixed number. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. So the mixed number will be 2 by 3. So we have found the value of x to be 2 by 3. Question 11. Z plus 2 equals 4 1 by 5. So leaving z here, on the other side we have 4 1 by 5. We transpose plus 2, it becomes minus 2. So we are going to find the value of z by solving this. 4 1 by 5 minus 2. So let's convert this. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21 by 5 minus 2 by 1. So we need to take the LCM, and LCM of 5 and 1 will always be 5. So now we need to get a new numerator. So 5 into 1 will give us this LCM 1. So we multiply the numerator also by 1. So that is 21. Minus 1 into 5. That is the LCM is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So here we have 21 minus 10, which is 11. 11 by 5. Let's convert that to a mixed number. Divide 11 by 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 1. So what do we get? 2 1 by 5. So we have found the value of z to be 2 1 by 5. Question 12. M plus 3 1 by 2 equals 4 1 by 4. So m equals 4 1 by 4. Now plus 3 1 by 2 becomes minus 3 1 by 2. So let's solve this. 4 1 by 4 minus 3 1 by 2. Converting, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17 by 4 minus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now we need to find the LCM of 4 and 2. Let's do that. 4 and 2, find the LCM. Starting with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then 2, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2, which is 4. So let's use 4 and get our new numerators 4. Now this denominator 4, we have to multiply it by 1 to get the LCM, isn't it? So 4 1s are 4. Let's multiply 17 also by 1. So 17 1s are 17 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So 7 into 2 is 14. So what do we get there? 17 minus 14 is 3. 3 by 4. So we have got the value of m here to be 3 by 4. Moving on to the question 13. X plus 2 equals 1 1 by 4. So let's solve for x now. X is equal to 1 1 by 4. Now we are transposing plus 2 to the right hand side, so it becomes minus 2. So therefore let's find the value of x. Now let's do 1 1 by 4 minus 2. Convert, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 by 4 minus 2 by 1. The LCM will be 4. Now let's find the new numerators. 4 1s are 4, so 5 1s are 5 minus 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. So this is plus 5 and minus 8. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3 by 4. So we have found the value of x to be minus 3 by 4. Question 14. Y plus 5 1 by 3 equals 4. So let's find the value of y. Y is equal to 4 minus 5 1 by 3. So value of y will be, now we need to solve this. So let's solve that. 4 minus 5 1 by 3. So 4 will give it the denominator 1. So it becomes 4 by 1 minus, let's convert this. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Now the LCM here will be 3. So let's find the new numerator. 1 3s are 3. So 4 3s will be 12. Minus 3 1s are 3. So 16 1s are 16. So again here we have plus 12 minus 16. Signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. So put minus. Now 16 minus 12 is 4. Minus 4 by 3. We can convert it to a mixed number. It will become minus 1 1 by 3. Okay, you can leave it as minus 4 by 3 or convert it to minus 1 1 by 3. So this is the value of y. Question 15. A plus 3 1 by 5 equals 1 1 by 2. So let's find the value of a. A will be equal to 1 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 5. Therefore, a is equal to, now let's find out this, 1 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 5. Convert, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 by 5. Now we need to find the LCM of 2 and 5, the denominators. So let's find the LCM. 2 and 5. 2 1s are 2, 5, then 5, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 5, which is 10. So let's use 10 as the LCM here as the denominator. Now let's get our new numerators. 2 5s are 10. So 3 into 5 is 15 minus 5 into 2 is 10. So 16 into 2 is 32. So plus 15 minus 32. So let's subtract. When signs are different, put the signs of bigger number and subtract. So we need to subtract 32 minus 15. Now borrow 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here we get 17 by 10 with a minus sign. Minus 17 by 10. Now let's convert 17 by 10 to a mixed number. So divide 17 by 10. 10 ones are 10 minus 7. So what do you get? 1 7 by 10. Minus 1 7 by 10. So A is equal to minus 1 7 by 10. Next question. Question 2, solve. First one here, x minus 3 equals 2. So let's solve for x now. X equals 2. Now minus 3, when I transpose it, becomes plus 3. So x equals 2 plus 3, which is 5. Question 2, m minus 2 equals minus 5. So let's solve for m. M equals minus 5, transpose minus 2 to the other side, it becomes plus 2. So what is the value of m? Now here we have minus 5 plus 2, signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number, minus, and subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the value of m is minus 3. Question 3, b minus 5 equals 7. So let's find b. 7. I'm going to transpose minus 5 to the other side. It becomes plus 5. So what is the value of b? B is 7 plus 5, which is 12. Moving on to the next question. Question 4. A minus 2.5 equals minus 4. So let's find the value of A. A is equal to minus 4. Transpose minus 2.5 to the other side, it becomes plus 2.5. So what is the value of A? Let's solve this. Minus 4 plus 2.5, let me write that. Now, as you can see, signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number in your answer and subtract. So let's subtract this. 4 minus 2.5. Now, when you subtract, remember in decimal numbers, you have to make them like decimals. So here I've put a 0 to make it like decimals. Now let's do normal subtraction. Borrow from here. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1 and put the point 1.5. Now go back to the question. We have a minus sign and a plus sign. When signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number. So this is minus 1.5. The value of A is minus 1.5. Question 5. Y minus 3 1 by 2 equals 6. So let's solve for y. Y equals 6 plus 3 1 by 2. So let's find the value of y. We'll solve it here. 6 plus 3 1 by 2. So that is 6 by 1 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Therefore 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 1s are 2. So 7 1s are 7. So here we get 12 plus 7 is 19 by 2. Now 19 by 2 is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. 2 9s are 18 minus 1. So what do we get here? 9 1 by 2. So we have found the value of y to be 9 1 by 2. Question 6. Z minus 2 1 by 3 equals minus 6. So let's find the value of z. Z is equal to minus 6 plus 2 1 by 3. So z is equal to, let's solve this, minus 6 plus 2, 1 by 3. We'll make it minus 6 by 1. Let's convert this. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Now the LCM of 1 and 3 will be 3. So now 1 3s are 3. So 6 3s are 18. So that's minus 18 plus 3 1s are 3. So 7 1s are 7. Now minus 18 plus 7, signs are different. So we have to put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. So let's subtract 18 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1 and we bring down 1. So that is minus 11 by 3. Minus 11 by 3 is an improper fraction. We need to convert it to a mixed number. Let's divide 11 by 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 11 minus 9 is 2. So what do we get? Minus 3 2 by 3. So that is our final answer. Z is equal to minus 3 2 by 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question 7. P minus 5.4 equals 2.7. So let's solve for P to find the value of P. P is equal to 2.7 minus 5.4 becomes plus 5.4. Therefore, P is equal to, let's add this up, 2.7 plus 5.4. 7 plus 4 is 11. I put a point, I carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So I've got 8.1. The value of P is 8.1. Question 8 now. X minus 1.5 equals minus 4.9. So let's solve for X. X is equal to minus 4.9 minus 1.5 will now become plus 1.5. So what is the value of X? We have to solve this. Now minus 4.9 and plus 1.5, the signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number here is 4.9. So let me put the minus sign and subtract both these. So 4.9 minus 1.5. Let's subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. Put the point. 4 minus 1 is 3. So minus 3.4. So the value of X is minus 3.4. Question 9. N minus 4 equals minus 4 1 by 5. So let's solve for N. N is equal to minus 4 1 by 5. Now when I move minus 4 to the right side, it becomes plus 4. So let's solve N. Okay. So minus 4 1 by 5. Let me take it to the working column. Minus 4 1 by 5 plus 4. So signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract. So minus, now let's convert this. 5 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5 minus 4. So that is 4 by 1. The LCM will be 5. So here 5 into 1 is 5. So 21 into 1 will be 21 minus 1 into 5 is 5. So 4 into 5 is 20. So 21 minus 20 is 1 by 5. So we already have written minus here. Now N will be equal to minus 1 by 5. So we'll stop with that for now, children. Thank you.